She wants to play it, but they can't come inside. She doesn't understand.
You should turn the light on. I'm taking a video.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, that's almost like 3 days. That was epic.
Don't even move it. See how they don't even move it and it fucking takes it all hard. And then like when I try and fucking pull it back, it's like
Jin,
Jin.
stay outside. She wants to play, dude.
Get him, Carla. Come on, come inside. Come inside.
Oh, that's right. I wish you could.
You should take him all down the stairs. You should not smoke the fucking cigarette into the house. That would be nice too.
That would be nice.
Or maybe it's just because you're sitting by me now.
Yeah, probably.
I wasn't saying that you needed to move. I was just saying that maybe that's the reason why it smells so strongly of cigarettes right now. Why should you be offended by that when you smoke cigarettes? I was just bringing it up. I wasn't coming like.
This conversation is gonna be on my video.
It wasn't like a mean thing to say. It was just.
She went outside.
That's why it smells like cigarettes so bad.